job is to transform industrial vehicles. In other words, to turn a truck into a crane, for instance, or a van into a waste treatment vehicle. My day-to-day means I have to work with metal, different alloys, but especially with steel. That's why I often use this accessory, the Prisma disc. For example, I have to prepare brackets to fix a drawer to the base. I weld different parts and build a customized support. Later, with the disc, I grind off the excess board that's produced when the metal is welded. The disc allows me to grind and polish that weld. Its main advantage is its speed, a much higher speed than other discs. That's my experience. It's because of this, because of its pyramidal system, because of its triangular grains, that I managed to go faster when grinding. Another thing that I have noticed is that the wearing is progressive. The grains keep the pyramidal shape, so it continues grinding without problem, and this makes the disc last longer. With a conventional disc, grinding becomes less and less efficient as you use it, because it works faster. It's in contact with the metal in the same spot for less time, and this causes the metal to heat up less. If you're grinding in the same spot for a long time, the metal becomes discolored. Then you have to go back at it just to remove that discoloring. The Prisma disc spares me that. With the X-Lock attachment system, you do this, and it's mounted. It's very easy. And this disc also fits grinders with nuts and threads. Grinding welds is a tough job, and it takes time. But this disc makes this job easier for me.